welcome back. Today we are going to learn about how to use this axis constraints, right? So if you can't find it, you can go over here and press right click and select axis constraints. So this window will be activated, right? So for that, let us create a simple box. Right click to get out to the box command. Now just click on select and move, so this gizmo will be activated. Now if you press X, so you can see here only X direction will be activated. You can move your box only in X direction. If you press Y, so this Y gizmo will be activated. You can move your box only in Y direction. If you click on Z, so you can move your object only in Z direction and work accordingly. Next is XY, transform gizmo XY plane, that is planar axis. So you can see this XY plane is activated, and if you select that, your box can move in XY plane. Similarly, this YX and XZ planes, right? So this is how you can use your axis constraints if you want to work in a particular direction on a particular object. So you can use this axis constraint tool. Now if you can't find this, just cancel this. You can do the same thing by using shortcut keys. So the shortcut keys for this are F5, F6, F7 and F8. So let us see how it works. Just select your box, press F5. So now you can see your X direction is activated. Press F6 for Y direction, F7 for Z direction and F8 for this YZ plane. Again F8 for XZ plane. Again press F8 for another plane, right? So these are the shortcut keys, F5, F6, F7 and F8 for the movements, right? Other shortcut keys that I want to discuss here is about meshing. So if you press F3, so you can see only a line object here, right? You can see only the lines. Again if you press F3, you can see the mesh object. If you press F4, so you can see your meshings embedded on the 3D model. You can see your meshing embedded on the 3D model, right? So these are the shortcut keys for meshing and line views, F3 and F4, right? One more shortcut key I want to discuss here is, if I don't want to see this grid lines, so for that press G. If you press G, your grid lines will be gone, right? If you want your grid lines back, again press G, so your grid lines will be back and you can work with your reference grid lines, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Practice these things and see you next time.